Experience a VR gaming session, or play a classic arcade game. Play with Legos, or a model train set. Have a collection of action figures, or a collection of vintage board games. Build a complex jigsaw puzzle, or engage in a challenging escape room game. Spend an evening with a video game console, or with a sophisticated card game. Participate in an adult coloring book session, or a Lego building competition. Play a tabletop RPG with friends, or enjoy a strategic board game night. Join a cosplay event or a board game convention.